How to construct a parabola with dots and lines. Let's recall this. I have a dot, I have few lines, and with certain condition, I have the parabola. So what are the condition? The length from this point to the parabola should be equal to that of from this point to the line over here. Of course, we have names to that, and that's what we're going to learn as well. So let me do this. So we have, first thing is we have reference line x and y axis, and at equidistant we have, say I'll take two different point. Remember, they are equidistant. And now if I happen to draw a line, of course not any line, it's a random thing, you will get something like this. So this can be flipped across, so you can get even this possibility, not that, this possibility too we can get, and we can get one which is in this manner and over this manner. So there are four different versions that we will see. Now, how do you define a parabola? So if you have understood this, the definition makes sense. A parabola is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point, not on the line, in the plane. So when we're talking about distance, it's always a perpendicular distance, especially from a line. Of course, dot does not have perpendicular per se, so it is random, right? This is also okay, this is also is okay. But when it comes to this line, it has to be perpendicular. Now, let's give names to this. Directrix is a fixed line, is called as directrix of the parabola. That is, in this case, this green line. So in this case, there's yellow line. That's your directrix. Next is your focus. The red dot is your focus. So I have two versions. There are four versions. In this case, I'm showing two. So this is your upward parabola and rightward parabola. So that's your focus. That's your directrix. Sorry, this is your directrix, and that's your axis. Axis, a line through the focus and perpendicular directrix is called the axis of the parabola. Vertex is a point of intersection of the parabola with the axis, is called the vertex of the parabola. So basically, this point not shown in the diagram over here, those are your vertex. Okay, so let me repeat: directrix, focus, axis, and vertex. Right? So those are your terms associated with parabola. So yeah, you guys have to write the definition.